Get a feel for the 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. This vehicle still has fewer than 10,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Make all your adventures the best they can be in this well-equipped Atlas. Honest and uncomplicated, this well-built family hauler prioritizes safety, comfort, and connectivity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, third row seat. Take every task in stride in this can-do Atlas. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.